Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
हॉटेल वॉटर स्पोर्टिंगवाले पर्यटकांक लुटतात म्हणून सोशल मीडियाचेर इन्फ्लुएन्सरांनी कॅम्पेन चलयल्या. मजगत ह्या प्रकाराचेर हॉटेल व्यावसायिकांनी आपले मत मांडला.
Goa being the most popular tourism destination in India is definitely on the radar for negative news or sensational news. And we have to counter this news with positive stories on Goa, of which there are plenty. But more importantly, we also have to use the feedback received on a few stray incidents to ensure that systems are put in place so that these incidents are not repeated.
आयज पासून म्हाका क्रिसमस न्यू इयराची राश आसताली नॉर्मल हा. लोकांक कितें दिसता लोक लेस हा म्हणून. ऑलवेज बिफोर क्रिसमस न्यू इयर तुका लोक लेस जाता आनी लोक मागीर ते हॉलिडेक येतात. सो एज फार एज आय एम कन्सर्न वॉट एवर इज बीन सेड बाय दोज इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स दे हॅव एन अल्टिरियर मोटिव.
Right now what Goa is going through is over-tourism. We've been having over-tourism like many parts of the world, and the over-tourism in Goa is very low-profile tourism, and that's the crowd that's sitting and crying and complaining, which is actually good for Goa. Yes, we'll have a hit over there for some time, but that's great for Goa because over-tourism of that quality we don't want. And if they're talking of Thailand being cheaper and Vietnam being cheaper, let them go there in the same numbers without civic sense, throw garbage around, behave the way they do, drunk driving, and they will be thrown out from those countries also. And then we should be smart and not have them back in Goa, but we can't do anything because this is India. You don't need a visa for Goa.
To counter this, I am appealing to all the influencers of Goa. आमचे गोंयचे जे इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स आहा तेंच्यांनी एका कडेन येवचे आनी तेंकां जबाब दिवचो. म्हणजे सारको स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड दे हॅव टू टॉक our influencers and tell them from where you got this data, who is feeding you this data, why are you all after Goa, reason kide, why are the influencers across the country after Goa, why they are against Goa. All of a sudden they started talking against Goa. All this time they were never talking against